Many students retake their IELTS exam just because they score less bands in their writing modules. Scoring 7 or 8 is really a Herculean task for many academic and GT test takers. So watch this free video where you can simply understand what to do and what not to do while writing your essay. So without wasting any time, let's see the first step. So the first requirement is to stick to the task. Now this is a formal writing and you have to follow the rubrics to achieve 7 plus bands. So let's read the topic. In order to solve traffic problems, governments should tax private car owners heavily and use the money to improve public transportation. What are the advantages and disadvantages of such a problem? So, what are the content words? What is the task asking you about? Underline the content words to stay focused that you have to include all in essay. Now, missing any one of them may result in less score. Now, the next step is to paraphrase your task. That is to use the synonyms in or other techniques to paraphrase the topic sentence. Now, for that, you see over here that you have traffic problems. If you use traffic issues, this term is broad and can refer to any kind of problem related to traffic such as accidents, road conditions or general inefficiency. So it is less specific and can be seen as a catch-all phrase or a general phrase. Now, traffic problem is a more specific term that clearly indicates that there are significant issues with traffic. So, traffic congestion or overcrowding of vehicles on the road, this could be more precise as compared to using traffic issues. Similarly, you have to look for other content words like what are the correct synonyms for that and what are the correct collocations that we can apply for. Next come correct flow of ideas. Now you have 3 to 5 ideas about the topic or you won't have any idea. I never suggest brainstorming a lot of ideas because you get confused what to use and what not to. So then how to plan ideas? For ideas, click on register now button to join my essay live masterclass where I will teach you how to plan and write only necessary ideas that score you 7 or even more bands. So if you have ideas, they should be, from where they should come? They should be connected logically and your second sentence should be continuation of the first one and second sentence should connect to third one. Lack of logical sequence will definitely reduce your band score. So you have to be cautious about this thing. Now see how ideas are coherently connected in body paragraph. The sample is in front of you. Now this is sufficient to score 6.5 bands, but for more you need to work on your lexical and sentence range which I teach in my silver master classes. So see the coherence over here. The first one is topic sentence, clearly stating keyword. Other sentences elaborate in a proper flow. So in the master class, you will learn how to make such body paragraphs in simple two-step method. In order to connect your sentences, you need to use linkers. 3 to 4 linkers are sufficient to connect the ideas in a given body paragraph. Use accurate linkers to make the meaning clear. In the context of writing, non-mechanical refers to transitions and language that feel natural and fluid rather than something forced. So, non-mechanical writing sounds more engaging and less like it is following any kind of rigid template. So, this makes the essay more enjoyable to read and use only necessary linkers that make the reader understand that you are shifting from advantages to disadvantages or giving some new keyword. Now question arises, do we have to learn boring grammar rules in order to attain this score? No, not at all. So simply remember that you have to write in general. So maximum use will be of present tense. Subject verb agreement is important and proofreading of course is crucial. Use of correct modal verbs help you to distinguish whether you are giving solutions or consequences. Use correct punctuation, comma after proper linkers and while separating a phrase or clause is very important. Use correct word formation while paraphrasing and check you have used noun, adjectives, verb or adverbial form of a word. So let's take an example. The Canadian student shows that Canadian word is an adjective, but students in Canada shows that Canada is a noun. So you have to use these different word forms, and students in my lecture just learn all these paraphrasing techniques merely in one go. So it is very simple. Use different format and use it for paraphrasing and your introduction is ready. Then comes thesis statement. This is the essence of your complete essay. It tells that how your essay will continue. What would be the flow of ideas in your body paragraphs. So don't write what I call zero thesis statement. My students are quite familiar with this term, and whenever I say that you have written zero thesis statement, they quickly recognize and they hunt for some good keywords in order to make it a comprehensive one. When you write introduction, you need to be careful that you write proper thesis statement to avoid any reduction in band score. It's really very important. So let's understand it with the help of an example. The blue marked area is the thesis statement. So the topic is about in some countries, young people are encouraged to work or travel for a year between finishing high school and starting university studies. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages for young people who decide to do this. So we paraphrase the introductory part like this. Before embarking on college, many young students are advised that a year working or traveling may be a good option. Now, this next portion is a thesis statement. This essay will suggest that experience gained and money saved are the biggest advantages of this, but delaying careers and reducing motivation to study are the primary disadvantages. So you see how clear the opinion is stated, and it is clear to examiner that in the upcoming paragraph, he or she will be getting the same content in a proper logical order. So see how simple essay writing can be if you have the right roadmap. No more guessing, just follow the steps and your band scores improve. Here's the truth. Most students struggle to score bands because they use random tips from the videos they watch on internet. And worst thing is that they use fixed templates which commonly reduces their bands. That's why I have created a roadmap to give you a simple method, that is what I call GSG method, and it takes very less time to make you write an IELTS essay. Imagine you don't have any fear of bad structures, no more wasting of time, write faster and better, and write exactly what examiner wants from you. So this is not just a theory. Thousands of my students have implemented this strategy and they have got their desired band scores. Today you can join them. So click register now to enroll in the live master class and I will see you there.